Lots of clouds as we watch the radar. A little gap in there. See it developing?
Well, that little gap's called a dry slot.
Oh.
And that little dry slot is what's going to come over our area tonight, and it's going to run any shower activity that we've got away from us. Though we did see quite a bit of shower activity, especially through central Georgia. Our one little line of showers was associated with a storm front that kind of came up past the Brunswick area, and that's all the farther it made it, just passing Darien almost to Hinesville. So our day is pretty typical of this morning picture on River Street with a barge coming on a big vessel coming down the river and the cloudy skies in the background. That's what we had most of the day. There were peaks of sunshine, and boy, did that allow our temperature to warm up almost summer-like. Now, we're not going to do that tomorrow morning. We're going to keep more of the clouds, but as you can see, more and more sunshine by the time we get to 11 o'clock. So if you look at your smartphone, we're going from 73 to 83 to start the day tomorrow, and then it gets warmer from there. But look at the moisture that's still just offshore. Moisture that's going to try to work its way back in this direction. Here's the drier air, this blue color, and eventually it will start to slide this way. But here's the future max for first thing, or for Wednesday evening. Still some showers, or the threat of showers, still in place. And how much rain? Not a lot of rain. It'll just be hit and miss. Here's the heavier rains, North Georgia into Tennessee and portions of North Carolina. We don't think we'll see the real heavy showers here. All that's headed up to the northeast. So you make your plans accordingly as this low tracks away. Here comes the front, which will eventually change our air mass. But look, once again, it just doesn't quite get off the coast far enough, and we get more showers coming along that front as an area of high pressure develops over the Tennessee Valley midweek. So things do improve, just perhaps not as quickly as you'd like. 4:03 will be the low tide coming up, 9:58 our next high tide, 7:19 our sunrise first thing in the morning. I'm not sure you're going to get to see much of that. Low risk of rip currents, our mix of sun, maybe some afternoon thunder. South winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas at 4 to 5 feet for tomorrow. Looks like Wednesday UV index still high, but the winds will swing around as that front finally gets a chance to clear the coast. So your first alert, live Doppler Max 11 forecast for tonight. Expect some scattered showers, but a very slight chance at this point, 73 with a southeast breeze. Then from the 73, 87 tomorrow. It's a 50-50 chance of mainly late day showers and thunderstorms. 30% chance Wednesday, 40% chance on Thursday as that hangs around. But after that, we get a break. Friday, Saturday, we might see a late day shower or thunderstorm. Sunday into Monday doesn't look like a big deal from this distance. Patchy fog could be a big deal first thing in the morning, so be aware of that. 73, 87 later in the day with the 50-50 chance of showers and storms, and so many fun things to do. Gosh, I love October weekends, including the Buford Shrimp Festival, Junior League's big thrift sales coming up Saturday at 10 o'clock at the Civic Center, and for those of you that want to sound like this,
Arg.
that's the Pirate Parade, 3 o'clock. It's part of Pirate Fest at Tybee Island.
Pull my string.
You do
and
that
be the
very
pirate.
well.
Yeah,
Yes, you
okay.
do. Follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather. Have a great day
Shrimp
tomorrow.
and pancakes. That's a
Yeah.
eating kind of weekend.
But that is fire prevention. We'll talk more about that later in the week.
Thanks, John.
Sure.
Now, it's a